Good morning, everyone. It is quarterly stocks morning. We will be getting that quarterly stocks report at 11 a.m. today, which trade has been anticipating for some time. Corn in the overnight trade is up a penny at 540. That is once again assuming a cut in stocks. Again, the analyst's estimate is a 32 million bushel cut in stocks, which would translate to about a 535 price. So we can see that traders are looking for a slightly larger cut in stocks for the corn than the 32 million bushel estimate. We'll see what we get from that report later today. Beans overnight flat at 1283 and 3/4. That is also fitting given that the estimates for today's quarterly stocks for beans is actually calling for a neutral number, possibly no larger cut than expected at all there. So completely neutral here for the beans. We also have weekly exports this morning. Those should be a little bit on the strong side for beans. Lately, they've been disappointing for corn and wheat, but again, all grain markets will look past today's weekly exports and instead focus on the quarterly stocks report here at 11 o'clock. Over in cattle, we did see a 124 cash trade. That is technically up 25 cents from last week, so it is higher. But again, futures had been assuming a significant drop in cattle numbers and an increase in cash price. But now running about our fourth week in a row of near steady cash trades, the futures are easing back some of the excitement and actually treating a steady cash trade is somewhat negative to the futures. If we assume, again, a $1 cash basis for the December contract, we can see that December's pricing in a 126 cash trade by December. So now futures are ready to set the bar rather low, assuming that we only rally cash $2 more between now and December. Seeing a single 21,000 lower show list, that would be supportive, but if we're going to see this thought process of lower cattle numbers longer term, we'll need to see more than 1 week of a lower show list. You would need to see 2 or 3 before futures begin thinking back along the lines of longer term, shorter numbers and higher cash trades. So we'll see what we get here if there's any other cash trades, but a bulk of the Kansas, Texas cash trades yesterday were at 124, so we would probably expect that number again. So of course, going back to the quarterly stocks, that's at 11 o'clock. We'll see what we get from that report. Then focus will go back to harvest and yield. As a quick reminder, today's quarterly stocks report does not reflect the crop that's currently being harvested. It is once again a measurement of everything that's in storage across the country. So just another quick reminder there, this will not be changing current yield or acreage. It's just a measurement of what's on hand. So let's see what we get on that report and we'll go forward from there.